Hi, we are talking about how to save custom reports so that you can easily access them later. So on any of these reports we've been talking about, you can run them, customize the settings, and then save them so that they show up under custom reports. That way, when you go in each month to run your reports, they're already set up for you. You just have to click on them and the data will feed in. So really nice feature. I always urge clients to set these up so it takes some of the pain out of running reports monthly. So let's do an example. Let's go into the profit and loss here, and we're in the report sidebar under the standard tab. Click on profit and loss, and let's just do the same report that we've been talking about. Let's do the drop down and go to this year to last month. So this is basically a year-to-date report, and then we'll run it by month. And then we'll use the cash method for accounting, whatever your accounting method is, and then click on Run Report. So double check that it's in the format that you want it, and it looks good to me. So let's go to Save Customization, and you can call it whatever's helpful to you. I'm going to call this one Profit and Loss YTD Year to Date by Month. And then you can add groups to group your reports. I like to do that. So we'll add a new group just called Monthly Reports to Review, and we click Add. And so now that group is showing up here. You can share it either with no one or with all. That means it would be shared with all users. In this example, I'm just going to create it for myself, and you can feel free to share reports with community if you want, and then we'll click Save. So now that we've customized this report and saved it, if we go back to the report sidebar and into custom reports, you can see the group we created, monthly reports to review, and then here's our profit and loss year to date by month. So I can easily click on it and it will populate by month. So when we run it next month, it will pull all the data in through the end of December. So it will keep populating based on your settings. So I urge you to save reports that are going to be useful for you. You could do a profit and loss. Maybe you could save a couple of the variations that we talked about. You can create a balance sheet and save that. That way, it's month end, you've done all your reconciling and adding of transactions, then you just go over to the report center, go to the custom reports, click on your reports, review them, and you're good. Also, you can easily, your tax accountants can easily access these reports at your end to prepare your taxes. So that is another nice feature of the custom reports. So I hope you use this feature. I find it to be very helpful.